Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this will be my first video in 2020. I'm sorry guys if I could not make video because I am so busy working right now, but I would just really want to take this chance first to thank Koja Beauty for giving me this opportunity to review this K beauty product, and I am so happy and glad that they chose me to one of reviewer for this product. So I'll not make it longer guys. I'll show to you guys what I'm gonna review for today. So for today's vlog, I would review a Keep Cool Soothe bamboo mini kit. So inside this bamboo mini kit, I have a toner, lotion, and a serum. So first of all guys, this is my first time to try this product, and it's just very new for me to try them, and especially that I have a very sensitive skin. As you can see guys, how I'm very picky when it's come to the product that I use to my face, because most of the time I get my skin get irritated because of is sensitive really. So anyway, inside this mini kit I have a Keep Cool Soothe toner. This is their toner, and we have a Keep Cool and Soothe serum, and we have the Keep Cool and Soothe lotion. So I've been using them guys for 1 week, so 1 week now, and I am so happy how it does to my face, and it's just really cool, just like Keep Cool. Their product is just very much natural. So I'm gonna start first with the toner. As they say, in this Soothe bamboo toner contains 85% bamboo water, balancing the skin's pH, soothing inflammation, and provide hydration to the skin. The toner has a pH of 5.5, close to the skin's natural pH, to reduce chances of irritation. It also has a cooling effect to help you stay cool and hydrated. So guys, after I use this toner, actually I'm so amazed on how it's so gentle, to my skin. So if you're asking me how to use this, I make it sure first, of course, after you cleanse your face, I have my pad. I use, as you can see on my video, how I'm using it right now. So that's how I use my my toner. What can I say more about this toner? Actually, every time I'm using this, it's just so gentle, and at first I feel a little bit of sting, but I guess it's natural, because most of the toner that I used previously, sometimes it's really give you the sting feeling, but then this one is really hydrated, and it gives me a very gentle skin after I use this. And as you can see guys, how it's so clear, and it's just like a water actually. And when you open it, the smell of this toner, of course, one of important to me is the smell of the product, because for me, the more smell the product is, the more it means the ingredients that use is very much stronger. But on this Keep Cool toner, there's no smell guys, none. And how I am so happy, because it's just very much natural, and it's just really lovely actually. So we're done with the toner. Let's move on with their serum. Their serum guys, I really love it, especially with the packaging, and you see how it's so handy as well. Actually, this mini kit is very much handy, and you can bring it, of course, it's a travel kit as well. Let's focus with the serum. So their serum, Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo Serum, is a facial serum that is formulated with the bamboo water, 66% that is derived from clean forest. It is rich in minerals and amino acid. This natural and powerful serum added 4.5% Centella asiatic extract to soothe, calm, and repair the skin that is irritated and suffering from breakouts, which is really good, guys, because this is the first serum that I've used. I'm not really used to using serum, especially for the everyday use. Most routine that I'm doing, after I use toner, I'll put moisturizer, and I used to do that one. So this new routine, this thing is just very new to me. But this serum, I really love this serum, guys. I really recommend it. How it's really gentle, easy to apply, and how it's quickly absorbed on my skin as well, and it's lightweight, guys. You will not feel, not it's not even sticky on the face after you apply this. So I'll definitely recommend this serum from Keep Cool. We have here a Keep Cool and Soothe lotion. So this is how it looks like. And so Keep Cool Soothe lotion, an all-in-all lotion for facial and body use, moisturizes skin with 51% of Damyang bamboo water, so skin effective, and provides skin regeneration effect with 2% derma clear with 7 kinds of hyaluronic acid to keep skin moisturizing all day long. Yes, guys, this Keep Cool Soothing Lotion is such a good product as well. It's so lightweight, and actually, guys, for the 1 week that I'm using them, only this lotion I am using. I mean, after the lotion, I don't put moisturizer anymore because I feel like this lotion is enough already to moisturize my face, which is, I am so happy how it really works on my skin, because at the end of the day, I don't get so much oily just like before. So if you're gonna ask me if I recommend this, I really recommend these 3 products, guys. So if you guys want to buy them, I will put a description down below the Keep Cool Instagram account, and of course KOJABEAUTY. You can put on the description down below the Instagram account and where you can get this Keep Cool mini kit if you just guys want to try them. So actually, I forgot to tell you guys, and this inside of this mini kit, they have a leaflet which is included, that how you can use this product, and it shows their step by step actually, and it shows the ingredients what they use for this product, which is really cool. Actually, it's really good because you'll know how why is it good for your face and everything. So as you can see, they have at the end of it is showing as well what is it good for. Is vegan and cruelty free and fragrance free. So it show everything actually on the leaflet, guys. So yeah, after that, actually, guys, they gave me as well a face mask from Keep Cool. And if you're gonna ask me if I recommend them, yes, guys, I recommend them, because I've told you before that I really have a sensitive skin, which is part of it is when I'm using a face mask, and the end of the day, I will have a pimples or at least a spot somewhere there on my face. But this face mask, when I try them, I am so happy with the result to the next day, because it's keep my face look so moisturized and hydrated, and no spot at all. No spot, and I am so happy. So it means it's really worked really well on my skin, and I am so happy that I tried this product, and I'm definitely gonna buy them, and I think they are really worth it to try. So if you guys have a sensitive skin just like me, you can get